back. The continuation of this epic reaction video. Let's get right into it. My laptop literally a glitch like crazy. Sorry, some laptop done. But anyways, the video must go on.
Exactly. So I'm from you.
17, maybe.
Alright then. Good chat talk.
Sure.
Bye.
See you later.
I don't ever want to see you again.
I'm up.
Go. Alright, so who am I here with today?
Ariana.
Alright, so look, the question of today is you gotta rate a picture of mine on 1 to 10. It's gonna be a nude. You ready?
No? Yeah, sure.
Alright, for sure.
It's gonna blow your mind away, girl.
That's all you got?
Huh?
Come on! We don't know about Cha-Cha. You know this is Becky.
That's all you got?
That's all I got. Alright, so you gotta play with me.
Come on, man. Come on.
Alright, so come here.
Come here.
So what you think? 1 out of 10.
I give it a solid 3.
A solid 3?
Yeah.
What's your head?
A blue kid.
Bigger?
No! Yeah, it was a shrimp, nigga.
Alright, so who am I here with today?
Oh, see, sorry, dude.
Sorry.
So look, I'm not.
She's a thought. Thought of a thought.
Alright, so who am I here with today?
Ryan.
Krista.
What?
Okay, so alright, so who am I here with today?
Ryan.
Krista.
Okay,
Brian
so
from
really
Family
the
Guy.
question today is, would you basically break up with her for $10,000?
No.
No?
No.
I mean, I got $10,000 right here in cash. No?
No.
Alright, you wanna do it for $10,000?
Well-
Alright, like this.
Hold on, let me see what I got.
$20,000 you can break over her right now.
It's a lot of money, but I think I'm gonna keep her. Cheaper to keep her so far.
You gonna keep her so far?
Yeah.
So
Good
far.
woman. Alright, look, I'm a big baller.
Imagine this, you drop all of this money right there. So, the nigga just run past and just gone with that bomba.
$30,000 right here. I know y'all probably married and everything like that, but $30,000 in cash. And you
That
see
can't pay half of the freaking lawyer fee money with divorce, file with divorce and that shit, there, brother.
right here. The money's right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it.
Here you go, bro. There. You take it?
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No? I bet. You see, all thing I gotta do is just walk away. Let's go. No. Let's go, man. Alrighty, so how y'all doing today?
Good.
Hey, actually, can I get in the middle?
Some cases we just have this weird look when that girl and say, yo, she's like this weird look of her. Anyways, we're not gonna say the word. What we could say.
No, I'm in the middle for the interview. Alright, so basically, the question of today is, would you break up with your boyfriend for $5,000?
Whoa. Yo, I did not know this is what we were doing.
I mean, I'm just wondering, would she break up with you for $5,000?
Bro, no, bro.
Oh, y'all like in love or something?
Yes.
Would you break up with her for $5,000?
Like, 5,000's a lot.
I mean, 5,000 is a lot.
Oh my brother, not even 10 but 5. You know what I'm saying? We didn't know. We didn't know. From the streets she arrived, to the streets she shall slumber, her ass go back.
We've been together for a little bit, but
5,000 is a lot of money.
we haven't even been together that long.
Oh my brother, I don't fight fear, but you don't have to say that boy. Hey boy, what you do, Reggie? I'm ashamed of what all the niggas have come to do in this life.
Hey, bro, she said she'll do it for $5,000, bro. Hey, come on. Come on, pretty guys. So today we're sitting in college kids are smarter than the 5th grader. I don't like doing all this talking, so let's get straight into this video. Let's go. All right, bro, who's the 5th president?
Albert Einstein?
Hey, yes, sir. Hey. Bro, how do you know that? You're a smart guy, bro. You're a smart guy. Alrighty, who's the president of the $20 bill?
Whoa.
Good stuff. You're very smart. Where'd you learn that?
School.
Yeah. Hey, they must taught you a lot. Hey, that's crazy. Hey, congratulations. Hey, Brooke, so the question of today is, which one is heavier, 1,000 pound of bricks or 1,000 pound of feathers?
Bricks.
Yeah.
I got school. Jaja, like, you never listen to the teacher and teach preparation. Come on. It asks the earth. No! Dumbass. The person that did the fly near to the sun with a long time. You're fucking retarded. You're retarded, man. You're retarded. This video. You continuation, I'm glad we continue with you. Because if you're an idiot, you never got better. You learn that in our social study, geography, and if you definitely do social study and geography. Anyways, you wait to end up your like, share, subscribe, turn on post.